Today we are talking about the best cooking methods to lose weight and specifically 60 pounds in 6 months. And this is a true tested method. And this stream is actually something that I've actually personally I've done and something that I've documented through my journey as well. And one of the things that I did was to actually record and track what I did to actually lose weight. And this was, oh, yeah. So this was like end of 2023 to I think about, yeah, like mid 2020, 2025. And so today I really want to just share with you, excuse me, I just had some food here, but I just want to share with you some of the insights and some of the things that people tend to overlook because it's one thing to know the food to eat, the healthy food to eat, and it's another thing to understand how to prepare that food because the preparation can make or break your diet. And I think a lot of people tend to underestimate the importance of preparation for your diet, for your food, or any meal that you're having. How it's cooked matters more than you realize. And I've actually come across a lot of people that tell me that, hey Nate, I've been eating healthy, but I still can't lose weight. And one of the things that I tend to ask, it's like, okay, are you tracking your food? How many calories are you having? And I ask that question just to understand, like, okay, not because the number really matters, but I ask it to understand, like, if this person is actually being conscious about what they're doing and the things that they're doing in terms of their diet. So when I ask them, okay, what's the calories? How many calories are you eating in a day? And the moment someone tells me like I eat maybe one meal a day and I eat healthy, but I'm still not losing weight, I'm always wondering like, okay, so are you tracking? How do you know that you're not eating unhealthy food? Because there's a misconception when it comes to eating healthy that you just pick the healthy food and the moment you cook that healthy food, then automatically you're going to lose weight. But what people tend to overlook is to really understand, like, okay, how do I actually cook the meal and prepare it to be healthy? Because I could even argue and say, hey, preparation is more important than the food that you actually eat. Because at the end of the day, most of the fast food that we eat is technically what we consider healthy food. Let's say, for example, like potatoes. Potatoes are healthy on their own, but the moment you put them in fat, in cooking oil, it turns into something different. So fries, baked potato, those are two different things. So by the end of today's stream, I want to really help you understand where you might be falling off and why you might not be seeing results, and what's the extra nudge that you need to just maybe tweak just a little bit. Because a lot of times it's not like people don't know what to do. I mean, they kind of know what to do. So they have an idea. But sometimes, as they say, like the devil's in the detail. But sometimes it's just about tweaking that one or two things just to really dial things in. Because I've realized that even for myself, like when I hit a plateau in my own training or like whatever goal that I'm working towards, I've probably done most of the heavy lifting and the foundation is there. But then there's just that one thing that you just need to tweak a little bit. And by tweaking that thing just a little bit, it just makes all the difference. And that's what allows you to actually get to your goal.